previous.
Last class we seen about emerging trends in automotive and aerospace and marine sectors.
So in last class we see about emerging trends and technologies that are prevailing in mechanical engineering, but in particular about marine sector, aerospace, industries like manufacturing, production, etc. Okay. So this is the first half of the second unit, which is the mode of heat transfer. So in this we can easily see heat transfer. Okay, we have a difference between heat and temperature. Right? So here we are going to transfer the heat from one medium to another medium, or from one phase to other phase, or from state of matter to other state of matter. Okay. The main purpose of doing this heat transfer is that we can change the phase of a particle, phase of any material from liquid phase to solid phase, or solid phase to gaseous phase, like that. Okay, so this is the major part where mechanical engineering, or you can say this is the one of the main subtopic in the mechanical engineering part. Okay, next. There are three modes of heat transfer. First one is conduction, second one is convection, third one is radiation. So I will see one way. In conduction you can see this is a rod where one of the rod is heated. Okay, with if you go this side, you can see here the temperature is high, here the temperature is low. So the heat always goes from high temperature range to low temperature range, and that too here convection is a transferring of thermal energy between the two objects. But the main important thing is that we should have a direct contact. The main important thing in conduction is that we should have a direct contact between the objects. Okay. So moreover, you can see it is happening in all the phases like solid, liquid, or gas. But predominantly, it has predominantly you can see solid phase has the much richer part in transferring the heat, which because you can see in solids you can see the molecules or the atoms are closely packed, or can otherwise known as densely packed, so that it acts as a quick medium to transfer the heat from one area to other area. In particular, you can say from high temperature to low temperature. So as it says, as I already said, the heat transfer takes from one place to another through the molecular vibration, and also this vibration travels in the form of heat waves of frequencies. As like the sound waves, it travels like this as sine wave, so that the heat starts from one end, or from the hot area to the cold area, as we see in the previous picture. The next part of conduction is that we have to see what are the facts that will affect the conduction part. First is temperature gradient. The temperature gradient, as we simply say, as I already said, the temperature or the heat always goes from the high temperature region to low temperature region. So if we have if we take a vessel for boiling the water, you can see here you can see you can separate the layer of water one by one. The heat which is transferred directly from the flame to the vessel. From the vessel it is transferred to the first layer of water, and the second layer of water, third layer of water, fourth layer of water. It goes on. So once you touch the water while it is boiling, you can see the top layer of the liquid, so the water has the lower temperature when compared to the water vapor. Right? So that is the temperature gradient. So the second one is material property. The material property, as we significantly says that if a material has a property to conduct thermal energy, it will transfer the heat very quickly. If it is not conducting the thermal energy, then the transfer of heat is which acts as a resistance for the transfer of heat. For example, if you take steel or aluminum or copper, you can see they will transfer the heat much faster. Okay, they will transfer the heat much faster. But if you take wood or plastic, the transferring of heat is very slow, so that there will be a difference in the conductivity. Okay, so the material which has the high thermal conductivity is used in the applications like generators, turbines, heat exchangers, and even you can see the water heaters have the copper coils, and the AC has the copper coil, which because it will transfer the heat much faster than the other materials. Okay, the third one is thickness of material. if the material has very low thickness, you can see that heat is transferring at the faster rate. Okay, if the material is thick, it takes too much of time to transfer the heat. So that we can see in transferring of hot metal from furnace to the ladle, we can see the thickness of the ladle is much higher, so that we can easily if the thickness of the ladle or thickness of the mold is very much low or very minimum, we can't hold the temperature, and sometimes the ladle or the mold can break due to the high temperature of the spot. Okay. The fourth one is area of contact. So if the area of contact is larger, you can transfer more velocity. As like we have some bicycles like hybrid or road bikes, right? If the road bike has a minimum contact with the road, so that we can go it fast. As like this is just opposite thing. Here, if we have high area of contact, the material will conduct more velocity. If the area of contact is less, there will be less heat.
The interesting facts about birds. The chicken is the closest living relative to the eagles. Many birds kept as birds, including doves, raccoons, and lovebirds, enjoying living in pairs of companionship. The smallest bird belongs to the hummingbird and is the size of a pig. The largest bird from which the ostrich hatches. The bird's height taken up about 50% of its head. Our eyes take up about 5% of our head. The penguin is the only bird that can swim but not fly. It is also the only bird that walks upright. Owls turn their head almost 360 degrees, but they cannot move their eyes. Chickens have over 200 distinct noises they make for communicating. When it comes to birds, the males tend to have the more glamorous